My name is Jessica Forster and I work as a product owner here at SIEC since 1 year. Work very closely with the development team and contact person for the client and then coordinate all the tasks with the development team. SIEC is a digital product and services company and we offer digital solutions for any problems that clients have. We have a strategy department and they use design thinking to kind of define a problem and find a solution. Then the next step would be our design department that design solutions. And then the development team would be the last step where we actually implement the found solution. So I'm the main contact for the client. So I get all the requests, I collect the requirements for different projects, coordinate with the development team, or depending if have different projects, so depending if it goes through the strategy design teams as well, like all the tasks, do the planning, the timeline planning, budget planning, and then oversee all the project while it's going on. I'm kind of the communicator towards the client and towards the internal teams. Communication is a big part of my day. I usually start my day with a check-in with my team to get everyone aligned on the task and the priorities for the day. And then during the day, I keep the client updated on ongoing tasks. I get new tasks, and then kind of the coordination that goes along with it, creating tasks, or we call it tickets, for the team, the scheduling of the task, finding the right resource, and then also keep checking in on ongoing tasks, checking the budget, all these kind of things. Every product owner has several clients that I'm in contact with. I think I have 10 clients. And then there are different parts that are going on with the client. Sometimes like just smaller bug fixes, or we have bigger projects going on where we actually design a website. And then it can get really complex because there are lots of tasks that need to be coordinated and then also aligned with every other project that is going on. You need to kind of also keep the overview of every client you have and of all the tasks that need to be coordinated. Yeah, I think that is the biggest challenge of my job, to kind of keep that overview and kind of keep everything moving and aligned and not forget about everything. A big website can take to a project that really goes from like through the strategy phase, design and development can take up to a year. And on a quick side, like for example, for one of our websites, we're redoing design refresh to update logos, fonts, and different colors, and that would just be a couple weeks. Yeah, it was kind of a coincidence, so I don't have a tech background, and I also never really planned to work in technology. I have a business degree, and I was always more interested in tourism, but also in event planning and planning travel. So kind of that project management and coordinating. And then during university, I was working just as an office support for a software company. And then got to know what projects they're managing, and they also had project managers, and I found that they also had really interesting projects. And then they offered me actually a job after I finished university. And that's kind of how I started, because that was also kind of the easiest job to kind of start after university, because it was just offered. I didn't even have to apply. Then I actually really liked it because I think it's so diverse and innovative. If you're a little bit interested in tech, it is really fun because you work with different clients. Your projects are always different. Even like website to website, it's never the same. So my position, you don't necessarily need a tech background. I think you still need to be interested in tech because you talk a lot about tech, and you need a certain understanding to be able to kind of talk to the developers and to the client. But you can learn it. But yeah, you need that interest, get that deep dive into tech. And then everything else, if you like coordinating, you like fast pace of an overview of everything, then I think you can really grow into the position. So maybe to speak about a project I'm about to start. For one of our clients, they want like a learning platform built, not really customized because they don't have that big budget to go through design and go through strategy to build everything customized. In that case, we really try to offer like a best solution that fits for the client and the budget. In that case, because we don't customize it a lot and we also depend on what that plugin offers, we still have lots of requirements meetings with the client to make sure that everything is still according to the expectation. Yeah, I think it is a very good industry to choose if you're interested in tech, because I think technology is the future. No matter in which position you'll work, you will work with tech. So I think it is a really good, safe field to get into. And yeah, I think it is very innovative. Things change really fast. I think I mostly like that it's diverse and every day is different for me because you're always working with different clients, different team members. The requirements are always different for each and every project. I don't get bored, which is very good.